Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video demonstrates the process of purchasing the tests by candidates. Once the candidate enters the application, they can browse tests, training courses, and surveys in My Assignments panel. To pay for the test, click the Purchase button. The pop-up window will appear where the candidate should enter their card information and complete the payment process, which is handled using the integration with the Stripe platform. After the payment process is successfully completed, candidates can navigate to their profile and check the balance. Then they can navigate back to My Assignments and start the test by clicking the Start button. If the testing session of this test is scheduled for the future, candidates will not be able to start the test until the session officially starts. The booking can be cancelled, and if the test has multiple testing sessions, candidates can easily reschedule. However, if they want to request a refund, candidates need to contact test managers or system administrators. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.